The first morning dew appears, and the wind feels cool against the skin. It is still the end of August, but summer is short in Shizukuishi and the early signs of autumn are in the air. The green of the leaves on the trees is increasingly deep, and with it comes Byōka, the beauty of the end of the summer on this dial. The Grand Seiko SBGW285 has a mesmerizing green dial, which is a testament to the brand's pursuit of precision, artistry, and timeless elegance. This exceptional timepiece embodies the pinnacle of Japanese watchmaking, presenting a harmonious fusion of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary aesthetics. It features a 37mm stainless steel case with Zaratsu polished surfaces that exemplify Grand Seiko's legendary attention to detail. The case design adheres to the grammar of design philosophy, displaying sharp lines and exquisite curves that reflect light in a manner that accents the watch elegance. The green dial, a hallmark of this rare timepiece, exudes a rich and captivating hue, offering a unique and striking visual presence. The perfectly polished dolphin hands and faceted indices complement the green dial with a touch of refinement, resulting in harmonious and sophisticated overall design. The green dial serves as an alluring canvas upon which the watch's superb functionality is displayed. The simplicity of the design is underscored by the absence of a date window, allowing the dial to maintain a clean, uncluttered appearance. The sharp, polished indices and hands evoke a sense of precision and clarity, enhancing legibility while adding to the visual allure of this timepiece. The dial is a testament to Grand Seiko's expertise in balancing functionality with aesthetic appeal, offering a symphony of form and function. At the heart of Byōka beats the hand-wound Grand Seiko caliber 9S64, showcasing the brand's dedication to precision and excellence in mechanical watchmaking. The movement is crafted and assembled by hand, a reflection of the brand's commitment to traditional watchmaking techniques and meticulous attention to detail. The precision and craftsmanship of the movement are a testament to Grand Seiko's unwavering pursuit of horological perfection. This timepiece exemplifies Grand Seiko's meticulous approach to craftsmanship. The Zaratsu polished case and the expertly finished green dial are a testament to the brand's dedication to achieving flawless surfaces and the captivating aesthetics. The intricate and precise details of the case, dial, and hands embody the ethos of the nature of time philosophy, reflecting the beauty of the natural world in every aspect of the watch's design. The SBGW285 is a rare model to find. In fact, this watch was sourced by my AD from Japan, underscoring its exclusivity and desirability among collectors and enthusiasts, enhancing its appeal as a collector's item and solidifying its status as a unique and coveted addition to any watch collection. Overall, the Grand Seiko SBGW285, with its captivating green dial, is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence, precision, and aesthetics. Its exceptional design, impeccable craftsmanship, and rarity make it a distinguished and highly sought-after timepiece that exemplifies the apex of Japanese watchmaking.